वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. दिस इज़ मी बवेचा. आज बात करेंगे रिगार्डिंग द इमोशनल हेल्थ. रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में बहुत से ऐसे इंसिडेंसेस होते हैं जिनकी वजह से मेनी टाइम्स यू रियली फील इमोशनली लो. नाउ द सिम्टम्स कुड बी दैट यू रियली फील sad, you feel like crying, you feel emotionally weak, or you feel that a sense of loneliness, or maybe you don't really enjoy the company of a lot of people and you feel like crying, and it is like throughout it is very low. You feel exhausted, you feel fatigued, you feel that there's a lot of change in your appetite. आपको खाने पीने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, या आप एक्सेसिव खाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, या आपको क्रेविंग ज़्यादा हो रही हैं. See, there could be multiple reasons behind that. It is very important to understand. Number one, many times it happens because of the fluctuation of hormones, which results in these kind of feelings in females. Secondly, many times these things could be situational, and maybe you are facing some kind of anxious situation because of which you are having all these kind of feelings. It is very important to understand that at what particular time we should realize that yes, this problem has really need a special care to be taken care of. Such kind of symptoms for a short period of time, maybe for 15 days, 20 days, a month or so, can be there because of lot of things happening inside your body. For females, definitely during the premenopause stage, these kind of changes do happen. So there definitely the hormones are playing the game. But otherwise, if in general we talk about both males and females, any such situation, if it persists for more than 3 to 4 weeks and it sustains with you, that you stop enjoying the company of a lot of people, you have a sad kind of emotion most of the time, you feel like crying, you feel like screaming all the time, your aggression levels are going high, your anxiety levels are going high, your appetite is getting disturbed, you are actually feeling loneliness from inside but still try to be alone. So all these symptoms definitely shows that there's definitely a mental health concern needs to be taken care of, which could be because of your multitasking, which could be because of lack of breaks in between, which could be because of lack of good company, which could be because of getting exhausted with the similar kind of a pressure and routine and the things happening at the same time in the life. So क्या क्या possibilities हैं जो हम कर सकते हैं? Majorly, we definitely recommend that short breaks between your work routines is something which is very much necessary to balance it up. Secondly, communication, interaction with the people you are having a trust upon or you have a faith upon. It could be a therapist, it could be a friend, it could be a relative, it could be a neighbor, it could be a sibling. The company of such person and a deep conversation with such person is at the most important in such situations. Number 3 thing is that you need to incorporate some sort of a physical activity in your routine so that you can really get down these stressed conditions in your life and you can really calm down and relax your mind and brain. इसके अलावा जो चीज़ें हमें करनी हैं, that we need to be really mindful because many a times lot of things happen with your general meals during such kind of a situation. या तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सेसिव खाने लग जाएंगे, जंक फूड पे बहुत ज़्यादा मंच करने लग जाएंगी, या बिल्कुल आपका एपेटाइट जो है वो लो हो जाएगा. So in that situation also you need to be mindful, you need to have a balanced sort of a meal, stay away from processed kind of foods in your diet, नेचुरल फूड्स को कंज्यूम कीजिए, बैलेंस डाइट को कंज्यूम कीजिए, सो दैट नीदर you go in a state of undernourishment nor you go in the state of overnourishment in the diet as well. Again, staying hydrated will calm down your brain, will give you more energy and will recover you from getting a lot of fatigue issues and a lot of exhaustion issues as well. कोशिश कीजिए कि आपका जो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट बैलेंस है वो मेंटेन रहे, सो उसके लिए आप अपनी डाइट में इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स को ऐड कर सकते हैं इन द नेचुरल फॉर्म. एल्स यू कैन हैव मे बी अ ग्लास ऑफ नींबू पानी एंड छाछ ऑन एवरीडे बेसिस. दैट्स अगेन गोइंग टू हेल्प इन calming down your health as well. Stay happy, stay healthy.